Sanibona bafundi nababukeli bombele, nazi izindaba zomnotho ebezihamba phambili kuleli sonto. Uhulumeni uzobuyekeza izinhlelo ezikhona okuhloswe ngazo ukwandisa amakhono ezweni ngoba ezikhona ziyahluleka ukukhiqiza amakhono adingeka emnothweni. Lesi ngesinye seziphakamiso eziqhamuke kwisabelo mali sango 2026-2027 esithulwe ePhalamende ngesonto elidlule. Umnyango wezimali uthe lo msebenzi uzobuyekeza iNational Skills Fund namasitha. IFNB ithule izinto ezintsha ngomshini wayo wokukhokha iSpeedPoint, njengoba ithi lokhu kuzosiza abathengi nosomabhizinisi abancane kakhulu. Leli bhange lithe enye inhloso yalokhu ukufaka isandla ekuqedeni ukungalingani ezweni, okwenza inqwaba yabantu ingawatholi amathuba alethwa ubuchwepheshe nenza impilo ibe lula njengezindlela zokukhokha zesimanje. Isikhulu esiphezulu se-FNB Business, umnumzane uGana Msibi, uthe lokhu ngenye yezindlela ezizobasiza bakhule njengebhange.
And I mean, I have no shame to accept that. That is exactly why we must do this. This is not about being a corporate citizen. Being a corporate citizen, and that's being a corporate citizen. This is not that. This is actually, and I think I've tried to make the point, which if we can grow the economy, then it means as the FNB, we will grow with the economy. Because the truth of the matter is, if the economy is under pressure and there are more players, we are all fighting for a smaller piece of the pie. So the question that we have to answer alongside to make sure that this very economy, and by the way, there's an economy without us. Understand that. We are not creating an economy. There's an economy. The question is the facilitation, which is seeing that this economy to prosper and better, because if I can help Ustindile have 20 rand more, and I was making an example of with the partnership here Flash, if we say we can get you every single day, whatever you're selling in store, no more things and 200 rand more, just 200 rand, and uvuli store 6 days a week. Okay, so it's 1,200 rand. Doing the same thing you were doing, just by being able to sell multiply that by 4. Now, 5,000. Listen, that 5,000 may be the difference to that particular person being able to take ingane to eskoleni, being able to access credit, and it comes back into the economy because we are now making sure now you can see, oh, okay, should man ngathola amanye speed point. So now all of a sudden you can, Uber, get more cars, get a speed point device, make more money.
Kulomcimbi bekukhona nevisa esebenzisana neFNB. Umnumzane uLeni Khunga oyi-Senior Director ye-Merchant and Acquiring eVisa Sub-Saharan Africa uthe akusho lutho ukuba nezigidi zemshini namakhadi kodwa kungenamuntu okusebenzisayo. Uthe kunomsebenzi omkhulu okufanele bawenze ukufundisa amakhasimende ngobuhle bokusebenzisa lezi ndlela zokukhokha.
The question, right, to say people are still not affordable to use digital payment. 80% of our people are already banked, or they've got a bank credential, right? When you go to the townships or in the rural areas, even where there's access, when you say there's access, where there's a point of sale terminal, right? That comfortability to say I can tap or I can whatever. The confidence to say it's safe, it's secure, you know what I'm saying? And I don't have to draw 1,000 rand. I just need to buy croissant for 200 rand. I can tap and leave my. It's a continuous investment that we are doing. I must say, in the last year, we have focused on targeted merchants in the townships with the partners that are known to those communities or the merchants there, right? If I look and say, for example, who are the main players in the townships, you find the likes of Kazan, Shop to Shop. You almost go to any spaza shop, you'll find a sign of like a Flash or a Kazam or a Shop-to-Shop, right? So we partner with such fintechs and say, let's go to your merchants, those spaza shops. Let's put visible branding that says, you know what, when you pay, you can actually pay with your Visa card. Let's incentivize that spaza shop or that merchant, right? To say, when people come and pay, right, actually tell them, like, you can actually pay with your Visa card. Because the challenge we have in most of our townships is not just from a consumer perspective, it's also from a merchant perspective, right? Most ticket sizes or purchases in the townships, I'm coming to buy one loaf of bread, that's about 20 rand. Or 2-liter Coke, it's about 20 rand, right? And you find that the spaza owner says, oh no, if you're gonna pay 20 rand, give me cash, otherwise give me an extra, which is a failure to understand how payments pay. So the education is the merchant to say, whether it's 20 rand or 100 rand or whatever, right? The commission you're paying to the bank is a percentage of that transaction. And in any case, make it convenient for the consumer who is coming, so that they don't have to carry cash now because it's 20 rand unless it's 100 rand. So that continuous investment is what we are putting out there. Because it's pointless to say we have got more than, say, 50 million cards in the country, but they are not being utilized at those merchant locations.
Khona manjalo, iFirst Rand engabanikazi be-FNB ishicilele umbiko wayo wezimali wowafokuqala wonyaka wezimali ophele ngoDisemba wango-2025. Ibike ukuthi inzuzo inyuke ngo-11% yaba u-23.2 billion, kanti uhafu wayo uqhamuke e-FNB oku-13.1 billion. Umnyango wezimali ufe olwembiza ushiwa yiphini lomqondisi jikelele obesekhaleni lokuhlela isabelo mali. Umnumzane u-Edgar Sishi useyosebenzela i-International Monetary Fund. USishi oneminyaka ewu-19 kulomnyango uzogcina ekupheleni kwale nyanga. Kusukela ngenyanga ezayo, abaqondisi abakhulu abaqondene nokuhlela isabelo mali ngqo bazoshintshana ngokubamba esikhaleni sikaSishi. Kuzoqala umnumzane uMarumo Make owayibambile ngo-April kwaze kwaba u-October ngonyaka odlule. Ukhomishana wenhlangano elawula imboni yezimali umnumzane uNathi Kamlana usephindwe waqokwa ukuthi aphathe iFinancial Sector Conduct Authority, iFSCA. Lezi ndaba ziqinisekiswe umnyango wezimali. uKamlana uzoqala ihlandla lesibili ngoJuni kulonyaka kuze kube sekupheleni kwangoMeyi wango-2031. Eqala uqokwa kulesikhundla kwakuwuJuni wango-2021. Inkampani yamabhanoyi yaseDubai iEmirates ithe yaseqalile ukusebenza amanye amabhanoyi njengoba sekuqalile kancane ukusebenza kwesikhumulo sezindiza saseDubai ebezivaliwe ngenxa yempi ekhona phakathi kwezwe lakwa-Israel, iMelika ne-Iran ethinte namanye amazwe eMiddle East. Estatementeni esishicilele izolo, le nkampani ithe ilindele ukuthi lesi sikhumulo sivulwe ngokuphelele maduze. NgoLwesine, iEmirates ithuthe abagibeli abawu-30,000 kanti kusukela ngoMgqibelo ilindele ukuthi kusebenze izindiza eziwu-106 emzileni ewu-83. Olunye udaba oluthinta osomabhizinisi abancane lukhuluma ngentokazi yaseMonti eMpumalanga Kapa enenkampani yamaloli. UNkosazana uSiphokazi Matsha waqaphela ukuthi kulomkhakha kukhonya abantu besilisa ikakhulu ezikhundleni zokuphatha. Yilokhu okumgqugquzele ukusungula inkampani yakhe iGo Girl Logistics ngo-2018 eRoodeport eGauteng. Funda ngalezi ndaba zomnotho namabhizinisi ngolimi lwebele ku-www.umbele.co.za uncele Gogwantsile.